In this video, I will show you how you can merge all of the bookmarks across your report into a single bookmark, and that single bookmark will be capable to perform the operation which all of the previous bookmarks were doing. And no matter which page you are on, that bookmark will work across all of the report pages. Yes, it is possible. Let me show you how. I downloaded sample this sample PBIX from Microsoft Samples from their GitHub, and then I added bunch of slicers on each of the page. On the page one, I added year month slicer. It was already there. On page number two, I added two slicers, year month and a color slicer. On page three, I added three slicers, business type, country region, and group country. Then I added buttons on each of the page, show slicer, hide slicer, and then I added bookmarks for all of the pages. I kept these bookmarks to work only on the selected visuals, just to keep the working of the bookmark in control. Uh, and only on the display, not on the data. Like best practice of configuring the bookmarks. Hide slicer. Slicer is hidden from the first page, not on rest of the pages. Show slicer. Slicer is appeared on the page 1, on the page 2. Hide slicer. Slicer is hidden. Show slicer. Slicers are visible. Hide slicers. Show slicers. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll first convert this into a PBIP. Save as, browse this device. Control Shift N, a new folder, PBIP, BK2. Yeah, I will be using this folder, save. Here. Sorry, I should be saving it as Power BI project file. Hush. Let me save it again. You need to enable bunch of settings in Power BI desktop. Make sure that you have enabled copy object names when right clicking on report objects, and in the preview feature, enable .pbip save option and store PBIX reports using enhanced meta report PBI or format. Okay, then go to file, save as, browse this device, save as PBIP in this folder. Yeah, here is my Power BI project file. And this is report folder, this is semantic model folder. Let's open my PBIP in VS Code. Open folder. This is my folder, select folder. In the report folder, in definition, bookmarks, I have total of 6 bookmarks. This is the list of the bookmarks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bookmarks. And now I'll be merging all of the bookmarks in same bookmark, existing bookmark. No, let's create a new bookmark. I'll go to the report, definition, bookmarks, Control C, Control V. Let's rename it. So slicer. This is my show slicer bookmark, and Control C, Control V. This would be my hide bookmark, hide slicer bookmark, hide slicer bookmark. Okay, and now I have to register both of these bookmarks uh, in their oh, yeah. In the VS Code, I need to register these bookmarks in the list of the bookmarks. Control C, Control V. Name is hide slicer. First, show slicer. Let me confirm the names. Show slicer, hide slicer, hide slicer bookmark. Control S. Both of these bookmarks have been registered. So what I will do is that I will open all of the show slicer bookmarks. Yeah, this one is the show slicer bookmark. Page 3 show slicer, page 1 show slicer, page 2 show slicer. Open to the site. Open in a new tab. No, cross. Let me check how to open multiple tabs in VS Code. I will resume. I figured it out. You need to double click on it. So now this tab is open. Double click, it will be permanent. Okay, so I created a new, which is show slicer bookmark. Yeah, here we go. Show slicer bookmark. Now what I need to do is that I need to copy the content of all of the show slicers of all of the pages in this new bookmark. What I will do is that I will go to any of the bookmarks, copy its content, Control C, Control A, Control V, go all the way up. Change the name to show slicer. Show slicer. Yeah, display name is show slicer. And okay, let me change the display name to show slicer all. All, here we go. All only apply to target visuals. Yes, if you want to apply to all of the visuals, just delete all of the stuff inside the target visual array. uh, I need this bookmark to function on specific visuals only. That's why I'm keeping the visuals. Suppress active section is true. It means that it is not only enabled to work on the current page, it can work on all of the pages. Suppress data, true. And this is the structure of the bookmark.json. Schema, display name, options. In the options, you will be configuring the settings of the bookmarks. Uh, in the exploration state, you have sections. By section, it means it is actually the state of the page when the bookmark is applied. So when height slicer bookmark was applied, the state of the page was that um, no filter is applied on this page. This visual is visible while slicer visuals are hidden. So I need to change three things. Number one, in the target visual names, I will add all of the target visuals, which are the slicer names from all of the show slicer bookmarks. In the list of the active sections are basically by the section uh, PBI or format means page object name. This one. This is the page object name. Copy object name, report section 3. This page name is copy object name, report section 2. And then I'll add the section for all of the pages. This is the section of this bookmark. I will copy the sections from rest of the bookmarks and paste it here. So let's first so a content of this bookmark is already present in the show selection bookmark, 7D bookmark. These are the visual names on which this bookmark is performing some function, comma, control V, active section name is this one, control C, show slasher bookmark, comma, and your section is this one. No, yeah, this report section, this thing. Control C. I will go to the show slasher, comma, enter, and a new section is added. Here, sections, a new section is added. So now this bookmark will be performing the function on page number 2 and also on the page number 3. Let's add page number 1 things. Control C, show slicer bookmark, Control V. This is page number 1 show slicer here. Control C, comma, Control V. Here is the report section of the first page. Control C, show slicers. explain this thing. Collapse, collapse, comma. Yeah, collapse. Yes. Now all of the three sections are present. Yeah, all of the three sections are present in a single bookmark. Display name, show slicer, apply only to the target visuals. True. Right. Control S, save it. So now my show slicer bookmark is completed. Done. Now it's time for the hide slicer bookmark. Hide slicer bookmark. Page one things are present in the hide slicer, so I will not be copying the page one things again. Double click. Yeah, hide slicer, double click. Hide slicer, double click. Wait a minute. This is page one hide slicer. It is already present, so let's cross it. Page two hide slicer is open. Page three hide slicer is here. I'll do the very same thing with the hide slicer. Control C, hide slicer, comma, Control V, copy all of the views. I've copied all of the target visuals. Now I will copy all of the report page names. Then now I'll copy all of the report sections. Section means pages. Control C, Control V. The last one is page number 3. I'll copy the section from the page number 3. Control C. It ends at D8. 8, 9 is present. D8 is missing. D8 is also here. Done. Control S. Save it. Boom. Cross it, cross it, cross it. Now I'll go to the bookmarks here. PBIK 2. Yes. I'll open Power BI project file, and now those two bookmarks will perform the function of all of the 6 bookmarks. Bookmark show slicer is here. Where is hide slicer? I need to rename the hide slicer bookmark. Let's go back. Hide slicer. Display name is page 1 hide slicer. No. Hide slicer all. Control S. Done. Now if I'll open my Power BI project file, show slicer all, hide slicer all. Let's move it to the last. Can you drag it? Yeah. So show slicer all, everything, all of the slicers on all of the pages are visible. Hide slicer all. I just clicked it once. Slicers should be hidden from all of the pages. Gone. Show slicer all. Slicers are visible on all of the pages. Now what I'll do is that just delete all of these bookmarks. I don't need you. Delete. Can I delete it? No. Delete it. Only two bookmarks, and let's reassign the buttons to the new bookmarks. Show all slicers. Hide all slicers. List. Boom. Now report is ready. Hold down the control key. Hide slicers. Slicers are gone from all of the pages. Show slicers. Slicers are visible across all of the pages. Page 1, 2, 3. Less clicks. Once you have pressed hide slicers, the user won't need to worry that slicers would be visible on any of the pages. They are hidden. Why not? Let's try to publish this report on. Okay, publish this on the Power BI services, and let's see the working if the thing works on the Power BI services. Let's test it. Show slicers. Slicers are visible across all of the pages. Hide slicers. Slicers are hidden across all of the pages. All right, done. Success. Ding, 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 ta-da, ta-da, ta-da.